Today we are going to see a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Hobby Turns a Successful Career. In this lesson there are three types of sessions. First session is talking about a boy named Mani. He was not good in school studies. He was very poor because he was in a school village. His father noticed one particular day and he started getting him bedtime story books. When he started reading those books, he enjoyed it. They together, grandfather and this boy together joined together to read stories and started writing some incidents happened on that day. That created a great impact on him and he started writing many stories. Because there are different types of hobby like playing or running, jumping, whatever it may be, or doing some activities like wealth out of waste. Everything is an activity, but then here in this writing activity or a reading activity, it is an activity which takes us beyond imagination. In writing work, if he think that he is flying on air, yes, he is. He can write stories on it. So there is no limitation on writing activity, and it becomes his hobby, and it opens his mind to think beyond, and it makes him more passionate about his life. He learn new things and he enjoy every moment of life after making this writing activity as his hobby. When he was at school, he was not very accurate about his sentences or grammar part, but then as time goes on, he became a good writer. He described that things better in my stories, that he feel that there are things which is better, which is beyond imagination. Even if it is fiction or non-fiction, it is very important that always learn and improve your hobbies. Who knows, one day I would be a writer like R.K. Narayanan. R.K. Narayanan is an author, is an Indian author, and now he tells that he became an author now. A hobby is hard work you wouldn't do for a living. Thank you. Now we are going for a second session. In this session we are going to see a person who's Ajay Kumar Garg. He is a very talented artist. First we have seen the person who has taken writing as an hobby. Here the second person has taken painting as an hobby. He lives in Jaipur. Ajay Kumar lives in Jaipur. In his childhood he suffered an injury at the age of 3. When the treatment was taken, he got deaf and he couldn't able to hear. His parents tried hard, but then nothing helped them. One day when his father bought him a paint set to play, the boy started enjoying and playing all over the room, and he was playing on the walls everywhere. On seeing that, Ajay's father realized that this boy had some talent on painting, and so he made him concentrate on painting itself. At the age of 5, a court artist of Dholpur, Rajasthan, court artist in the sense chief artist, a good famous painter of Rajasthan, had seen this small by Ajay Kumar's painting. On seeing that, he was very impressed and he started training this Ajay Kumar. After completing his education, Ajay Kumar tried tailoring, but then his concentration was not there. So he again started preparing for painting. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. Asha Devi is a famous painter at that time, and so he became an apprentice for her. She taught many techniques like dyeing technique and miniature painting, and he mastered the techniques of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of paintings. He got more knowledge on preparing paintings and brushes and got more knowledge of paintings also when he was working as an apprentice of Asha Devi. Soon he became an accomplished artist. He was a full-fledged artist. Now he can able to draw anything and everything. So he became an accomplished artist. He uses a magnifying glass and a single-haired brush on miniature paintings. He was a very good painter. As he want to show himself a unique painter, he started using a magnifying glass with which he will be using. This is called as a magnified glass. With the help of this, he will be used to draw paintings in a small part where you'll with a brush with one single hair brushed will be using for this type of paintings, and he did that also. Ajay is gifted in the practice of treating images on a grain of rice. We have seen nowadays we have seen it is very common in the grain of rice to write our name. At that time he was the first to do it. Ajay exhibited his works and sold 144 out of 150 paintings. After all his paintings, he started exhibiting his works and he sold 144 out of 150. He continued to show his work throughout India, even in United States and the United Kingdom. In 2004, he was awarded from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from painting, Ajay is also very much involved in welfare of people because of hearing impairment in India, and has been the executive member of Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Because he was an impaired person, he gave more importance to the welfare of people also, and that work had made him as an executive member of Deaf and Dumb member of association in Rajasthan. As well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur also he is taking care of. One of Ajay's goal is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. His life shows that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career. At the age of at the age of 3 or 4, he started his paintings as a hobby, but now that hobby has been changed as a career for him. Now he can able to sell those paintings and he can afford money. It is not like because of hearing impairment he is sitting in a place and asking for someone's help to live. No, not as such. He himself doing hard work, and he himself earn money for his living. That is what is said here. Hobby has been changed into a career. Painting is just another way of keeping a diary. So paint and enjoy. Thank you. Now here we are coming for the third session. The third session is talking about playing carom board. Yes, first we have seen writing a book or a just writing hobby, how it turns to a successful career. Second, we came that painting hobby, how it turns to a successful career even for an impaired person. And now we are coming for the third session where we are going to see playing games is also turns as a successful career. Here we are talking about a lady. The name of the lady is Ilavalagi. She is one of a favorite person of his father. The name of his father is Irdaya Raj. He was a district level champion in carom. His dream shattered since his family did not encourage. Some of the family situations doesn't help us to carry on with our successful career. So his father couldn't able to complete it. As his family was not supportive, he supported her daughter. He himself tried a lot and he put her daughter Ilavalagi inside this carom playing thing, where he always take her daughter to the matches. He always put her daughter to listen to the strikers and coins. Even when she was 2 years old, he would carry her with him to the tournaments. He played, father will play with his friends at local clubs. Her father began coaching her when she was around 5. So at the age of 5 itself, the father had started training the daughter, Ilavaligi. And so she was keep on playing. One day, one such match she won, which gave her confidence. The more confidence she got, she started working hard for it. And her victories included the Asia Cup and SAARC Cup and the World Championship. Irdayaraj was not a very rich man. He is just a fish cart driver who transport materials like pipes to make a living his family. His earning amount will be not more enough for his day-to-day life. Whatever he earns, it will finish even in a day or not to a day also. It was very less because he has a wife and 3 daughters, not 1 or 2 daughters. He has 3 daughters. They have lived in a small one-room apartment in Yasarpadi, Chennai. All those 3 daughters along with father and mother in one room they lived, and that is in Yasarpadi, Chennai. They lived a very poor life. Once Ilavalagi got into trophies and medals, she won over the years are too many, and her name is just not big enough to keep the trophies left over after filling the space under the bed. So as that is only one room house, they don't have more space to keep all Ilavalagi's trophies and medals. Once the bed was filled, under the bed was filled, the trophies were given to the neighbors' relatives. Financing the trips has always been a big trouble because she has been playing the state for almost 14 years. Still, she says victory follows me. She was playing for the state for almost 14 years, but then all those 14 years, if she needs to go for other state or other place, she needs some financing help which was not available to her. She is a member of Thiruvallur District Carrom Board Association now. After she achieved something in her life, now she got a place, a powerful place, which is Thiruvallur District Carrom Association. Also represented India at the Carrom World Championship, Asian Championships. As these two, this Thiruvallur District Carrom Association represented her for World Championship and Asian Championships. She represented and also she won medals over there. Some of her achievements are 5th World Carrom Championship 2008 in France, Women's Singles title at the 38th Senior National Carrom Championship, Visakhapatnam 2009, Women's Single title in the 37th National Carrom Championship in Chennai 2009, 13th SAARC Carrom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009, the 2-time SAARC Carrom Championship Women's Singles title in 2009, World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was the 2010 championship in the US when she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver, and 12 are bronze medals won in national champions. She has also won 111 gold, 9 silver and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. Her hobby of playing carrom took her to the level of world championship. This is how a game is not a simple game. If you take it as in a serious manner, the game will lead you to a successful career. If you have a hobby, you be happy. Thank you.